Hi, are you having chronic pain in the back of your heel? You might be suffering from Achilles tendon problems like Achilles tendonitis, Achilles tendinopathy, or even enthesopathy. At our clinic, we offer high-powered laser therapy. This therapy shines red light to penetrate deep into injured tissue. It energizes the cells, reduce inflammation, and enhance blood flow. It simulates your body's own natural healing process. Laser therapy is non-invasive, painless, with no drugs, no needles, and no injections. And there are also no known side effects. It's effective treatment for most cases, especially for those who prefer to avoid surgery. If you have tried resting, changing shoe gears, physical therapy, painkillers, or cortisone injections, consider our laser treatment to improve your Achilles tendonitis healing process. Thank you.